Is this what is happening in this country now? Watch this.
People of God, Edo Don finally carry last to Edo Don carry last. You know, I've been talking about this thing for a while. It looked like cruise, but it is now cemented on black and white, and it is heartbreaking. A report has been released, and it's called a State Performance Index Report, and in a section called the Momentum Index from a top Nigerian management and consulting firm, Philip Consulting, has been released for July 2026. And it's looking like out of 33 states that we scored, Edo came last. Again, I'll put that out again. Out of 33 states that were reviewed in the Momentum Index of the State Performance Index Report for 2026, Edo was number 33. So background, Philip Consulting is a top Nigerian management and consulting firm, and they have carried out an independent assessment of governance and development of some Nigeria states. In their report, they said 33 out of the 36, and of course the FCT, were featured in this index report, and all of them were scored according to various metrics which you get to see. But of course, Enugu came top, followed by Jigawa, then Abia. But our own Edo, my dear Edo, came last at number 33. Here are the facts of the matter. So the momentum index in this particular report doesn't reflect or indicate the best governor, the largest economy, the most developed state, or even the richest state. It just measures the most improved state in the period of that review compared to the national average. Let me explain what I mean. Say, for example, student A and student B wrote 2 exams in 2 separate years. Say, for example, in 2025, student A, Joel, wrote an exam and scored 90. But in the second year, maybe in 2026, Joel wrote that same exam and scored 96. Improvement, right? But student B, maybe let's say, Olu wrote an exam in 2025, the same exam that Joel wrote in 2025, and scored 40. But when Olu was writing that exam in 2026, Olu scored 70. Both of them have improvement. In fact, Joel even have higher marks. But as it well, measuring the level of improvement that both of them have had compared with both period under review, you will say Olu has improved more. So this particular momentum index doesn't reflect or measure performance or development. It only measures improvement. Though this momentum index doesn't reflect best or worst state, but it interprets the direction and the pace of change. Again, the direction and the pace of change. It helps to put Nigerian state into a proper perspective of where that direction goes, because the methodology used actually reflects the most important areas. And of course, the pace at which this change is being perceived by both citizens and professionals. Now, let's talk about the methodology. The report says in its overall assessment, they use 70-30, 70% for objective data, while 30% for citizenship perception. And so in the objective data, they use indicators like education, health, infrastructure.
Download Find Am now so that you can upload your products and services, so that people go dey buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Somebody call God to have mercy on me. Somebody call God to have mercy on me. You see, they have been telling me, I did not listen, They have been telling me to rest. Family has been telling me, rest, Karozi, rest. Even my customers have been, even the people that are patronizing me have been saying rest. I'm forming hardworking, and me work past. I hardly sleep. I don't sleep during the day. I don't sleep at night. I hardly sleep. You all know I'm in Lagos. I went to Lagos for several reasons. Ever since I arrived Lagos, I have not rested. I know they sleep. I go there where they do business, where they talk to customer, where they this, where they do one thing. They go break me there. I go jump up back. I don't work out about. I went to trade fair market. I said, let me go and buy sunscreen to resell. Since I don't want a situation where I would sell face products to my customer and tell you people to go and buy sunscreen elsewhere, make on no buy fake. That was the inspiration. I went to trade fair market. I went to buy sunscreen. I bought La Roche 20 pieces, 22,000 naira each. People who know this sunscreen knows how expensive. 22,000 naira each, 20 pieces. I bought Nivea 20 pieces. I bought Kinapa 20 pieces. First steaming machine, gummies, a lot of things. Over 1 million naira market, guys. Who can heal me? Can I ever get healed? As I enter public bus, they come back. Sleep, they catch me. Sleep, they turn me. I had to even put my phone inside my bag and zip it tightly so that I would not lose my phone, because I was sleeping off. The package, everything I bought was in the boot now, under the chair. Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you people know that I stupidly came down from the bus, forgetting everything I bought? Oh, this one paid me. Oh, this one paid me. I even got to the house, put my clothes with so much stress, use the toilet, eat myself, lay down and to sleep. I was even hungry. I said, let me sleep small before I look for food. It was not as if I was dreaming where I was unboxing sunscreen products. Hey, this thing called instinct, eh? When I opened my eye, I said, where's my package? Oh? Where's my package? That was when I remembered I did not carry it. Oh, Jesus. Wallahi, this is 7:25. I'm heading to my 2 now, all the way from Gehgeh. It's a 2 hours journey. If there's no hold on, if I don't see it, I go sick. Oh. And I might even pause my business. Yes, I will take a very long break. Oh, let me go and rest. Wallahi, if I don't see it, eh? Hey, Jesus. Because I come oh, Jesus. Jesus. It's today. If I don't see it, I'm pausing this business. How could Karosi be so careless? I wasn't careless anyways. I was just stressed. I wasn't careless. I've been doing business for years. This thing has not happened to me before.
Download Find Am now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services, and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.
Now for the record, Nigeria's come, listen to Gehgeh. Nigerians, come on, Nigerians, come on. Gehgeh don't go marry you. Come, let the world come down, come and see Gehgeh. Oh. Gehgeh say you don't come. Jesus. Somebody come and hear. Oh. I just enter us now. The first thing when I go see the internet say Gehgeh don't marry. Since when you're not here, so just hit us. Gehgeh don't marry. You just take us unaware. This is unprofessional. We are going to sue you. We are going to sue you for this. Gehgeh, you don't marry. You can't go marry for our back. And then you don't advise us finish. Gehgeh, if you advise us for this social media, you can't marry. Blood of Jesus. Take over. Hell, this must be a dream. This is a content creating. I hope this is not true. Gehgeh, I hope this is not true. Jesus. So we went to go to university now. I want to graduate. Oh God. Gehgeh, don't waste my data. All the wash. Gehgeh, don't waste my data. Gehgeh, I will sue you. I'm going to sue you. After you mentor me, really sure that you calling me go marry. Gehgeh, now so they do things. Gehgeh, now they do things. Gehgeh, not be so. Nigeria's come. Gehgeh has defrauded us. Nigeria's come. Gehgeh don't deceive us. You are a deceiver. You are worse than Judas Iscariot. You are a betrayer. You have betrayed us. Hell! Nigeria's come. Hell! Gehgeh don't go marry. You leave us go marry. Oh God. After learning much from you. Gehgeh don't be so. Gehgeh, you see when you look at how you are celebrating your marriage. Gehgeh, you go marry. You go settle down. You go settle down. Put one man for us. Gehgeh, you will be king of women. You tell us, let us be king of women. Let us not marry. Gehgeh, that's what you be. Gehgeh, you betrayed us. Gehgeh, you betrayed us. I'm so pained. I will sue you. Express is the best shot. You express it and you feel it. I'm coming. Your petition is ready.
Download Find Am now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.